Stop snitching.
She's up there.
Who's upstairs?
Upstairs.
Momo's?
Whoa, she's up there. She has to stop. She has to stop. She has to stop. She has to stop.
Who? Who is it? Mel?
It has to stop.
Where'd she go?
What is?
Oh, okay.
She's not there. She's not there.
I'm in the dark.
Mommy, she's...
And he's doing what he does best.
Mommy,
Eat.
it's not there.
Who? Momo's went downstairs? Tell her come back. Say come back.
No, she's upstairs.
What's wrong? Something's on you? Let me get it off. Okay. You better now?
Get out.
No, you can't get out right now. You have to finish eating. Yes. Yes, you have to finish eating. Did you drink your milk? Finish eating your cabbage. Okay? And then we can get ice cream.
Okay.
Yes. You want ice cream?
She like that one.
Yes. So you'll get ice cream.
Okay.
Okay?
I did the okay.
Yes. Everybody gets ice cream. Ice cream for everybody.
Yeah, everything is okay.
You don't want to give Ashley ice cream?
Yeah, you did the okay.
Okay, we'll give her something. Okay.